Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unmute someone's stories on Telegram. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Telegram app on your phone, then you click on the archive chat, then you drag it down a little, then you can see these two stories. They are the mute stories. So I'm just going to long click on this particular one, then I'm going to hide stories. And also if I want to unmute this as well, I'm just going to long click on it, then I'm just going to hide it. If you want to do the same, if you want to hide them again, you can just easily go back to your stories, long click on them, then you put on hide. You click on hide, then it will come down here. From here also you do the same process just to unmute them. And that's how to unmute someone's stories on Telegram. If you find it really helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.